Hey Jim, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning. So this is the custom video that I promised, and I'm just going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away to help you with your ranking and to start getting more of those organic leads. So as you can see, we are on your website, and you have a nice looking website. I love the paradise theme. Okay. Reviews, those are important. Good. All right. So, although the website itself looks really nice, Google does not index your website based on appearance. They use little robots called crawlers that go around and index all of your pages, looking at all of your content for those keywords. So the rule of thumb is your home page should have a minimum of about 1,000 to 1,500 words focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people locally are searching for the services you're providing. They might not know the name of your company, but they know the specific service that they need, and that's what they're going to be searching. So your website needs to be focused on those type of buyer intent keywords. You want to make sure that you have a separate page for every specific type of service that you have, so that you can go and build that content and go after those buyer intent keywords. It looks like you have several different types of services here that have been all grouped together. So you don't have any keywords going here. So if you were to have a separate page for each of these, you would be able to build out your content and those keywords to begin ranking in those areas. Also, if you service areas outside of Garland, you really should have a separate service area page for each of the locations that have any type of search volume whatsoever for your keywords. Now, if we look at your top competitor in Garland, it's going to be Tropic Island Pools. They also have a really nice looking website. They've got some content. Yeah, looks like beautiful work you guys do. Or they do, huh? Yeah, so, okay. So they have content. They've got a few more images on their homepage. But in order to outrank these guys, you're going to have more content. And you're going to have to focus on those buyer intent keywords. You're going to need more pages. As you can see, they have several more pages. And they also have service area pages. So you're going to need to go after those additional pages so that you can work on your content strategy. So Google can actually put you in front of the customers in those areas. This is a program we use called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have a 0.6 out of 100, which is fairly low, which says that Google doesn't have much trust in your website. And that's 100% because of your domains and referring domains and backlinks. You have over 200 backlinks, but a low score, which that means that most of those backlinks are of poor quality, are either no follow backlinks or spammy backlinks. So Not all backlinks are created equal, so it's really important that you have the right type of backlinks and you're going after those highly authoritative backlinks. And you need more of those than your top competitor. Because you don't have a whole lot of pages and content, you're only being indexed for 52 keywords. So you're only getting about 31 people on average to your website a month. So that just says that you're missing out on quite a bit of possible traffic. If we look at your top competitor, they have a 17 rating with over 1,410 backlinks. That's still a lot of backlinks to have a lower score. So this says that a lot of their backlinks as well are going to be no follow or spammy type of backlinks. So you're going to need to have better quality backlinks than they do, and then have more of those better quality backlinks. Because they have several pages, they are able to be indexed for over 3,000 keywords, and therefore are getting over 1,200 people to their website each and every month on average. Real quick, a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this link is that is linking to your site, the more power it's going to give you. So it's really important to go after those quality, authoritative, do follow backlinks, because the do follows actually share their power and help you to rank faster. And in addition, these backlinks should be closely tied to your keywords that you're trying to rank for, because they work hand in hand together for your ranking. And then the last thing I want to talk about real quick is the Google Maps or your Google My Business page. So your goal should have a Google My Business page in the top 3 for each of your service areas and your relevant keywords. Because 30% of people come directly to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3, you're giving that those leads to your competitors. So in order to get here, it's highly competitive. So there's several factors, but the biggest one is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And if you follow these tips I've provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and service areas. And you're probably wondering, oh, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is free education. I just ask you to go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. Now, if you should decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call on the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.